this video, I am going to show you how to install BeeTV on your Roku TV. First, make sure your Roku TV is powered on and connected to the internet. Unfortunately, BeeTV is not available in the Roku channel store, so we will need to use a workaround to get it on your Roku device. Start by installing the BeeTV app on your Android device. You can find the official APK on trusted websites. Once installed, open the app and ensure it works correctly on your phone. Next, you will need to use a screen mirroring feature to display BeeTV on your Roku TV. On your Roku remote, press the Home button, then navigate to Settings. From there, select System, followed by Screen Mirroring. Enable the screen mirroring feature and choose either Prompt or Always Allow. Now, go to your Android device and open the settings. Look for Connections or Connected Devices and select Screen Mirroring or Cast. Choose your Roku TV from the list of available devices. Once connected, open the BeeTV app on your Android device. The app's screen should now be mirrored on your Roku TV. You can navigate and enjoy your favorite shows and movies from BeeTV directly on your TV screen. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.